Here's a pair of the On Groove earbuds. I'm going to show you how to factory reset this model right here, okay? Not this one and not this one, okay? Those are a little bit different, okay? Anyway, with this one here, you want to do a factory reset, or maybe you have problems connecting or pairing, or maybe one side volume's lower, or one side's not working at all, or maybe the volume's too low on both of them. Even if you increase the volume, it doesn't get louder, and so on. So to factory reset these, what we want to do is look on the bottom of the case and you see that little round button right there. So what I want to do is open this lid up, and then I want to press and hold this button. I want to keep holding until it starts blinking red or amber here, okay? So it's open now. Let me get that button. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Keep holding that button now. Keep holding. It's a blue blinking light right now. Just keep holding. Just wait. Okay, red blinking light. Now we can go ahead and let go. And now it just performed a factory reset, and after it's done, it's going to go back into pairing mode. Pairing mode is when it's blinking rapidly white like that. So you can pair it right now to another phone. Okay. Now here's the thing. I was originally connected to my iPhone here. I was connected before this iPhone, then I did a factory reset. So if I want to connect back to this iPhone or Android phone or whatnot, just go to your settings. You need to go to Bluetooth settings. And then you can see under my devices, it says not connected, but I was connected before, okay? And this is in pairing mode, it's blinking white really fast. So what I have to do if I want to connect back to this phone, I have to tap on the eye here, and I basically have to forget this device or unpair it if you're on an Android phone, okay? And now as soon as I do that, it's still in the pairing mode, and I should be able to pair it back to here. Let me rescan it. Let me turn the Bluetooth off. Let me turn it back on again. And it's still in the pairing mode. Oh, there it is, on true wireless right there. Let's tap on that right there, and voila, we're connected back. Anyway, that's how you do a factory reset.